Alright, here's where I'm at. I'm going to put the torsion bars on and kind of get everything tightened up on that. Put the disc brake, the rotors, put the backing plate, the rotor, the caliper, all that stuff. Finally figured out how to put the bracket for the pedal on the booster. It was a pain in the butt, but I was able to get that on. So that's where we're at. Let's get back to work. Okay, here we have the what the hell do you call it? Sway bar arm. And here's all the hardware and brackets for it. These are the torsion bars. All of this came from Hotchkiss. So that's what I'm going to be putting on. Hopefully I'll get the sway bar on today. But I definitely want to get the suspension done. That way I could drop the car and put the motor back on it. Also, check these out. These are old US mags. 14x8s though, but they are Mopar Ford pattern. I'm going to clean these up, just put them away somewhere. It's a nice old late 70s, early 80s style wheel there. Just thought I'd show that to you. But that's what we got going, so let's get to work. The right side caliper bracket, it comes with these nice bolts, so we're going to put those on right now. Get both of them on, that way we can put the calipers, well, not the calipers, slide the rotor in and then put the calipers on. That's where I'm at with the Roadrunner here. I got upper and lower control arms installed. Got the new Hotchkiss torsion bars These are Caltrax adjustable strut rods. Got all the new bumpers, top and bottom. These are the low profile ones because we are going to drop the car, drop it down. What else did we do? Oh, got the calipers in, rotors. We went with the regular rotors. This was all a kit, a brake kit from Mancini. I got the hoses, not the hoses, the lines. Everything is back here already. I'm waiting to figure out what we're going to do as far as the master cylinder, if we're going to keep the power brakes or go with manual. I did put the booster on already, but this is all the brake lines. This is a long one. This one here is for the rear end. And I don't know what these other two are, probably the sides. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now with all of this, piecing all this thing together. Hopefully within the next week or so I could get it done, get the front end done. We're gonna go with one of those quick ratio steering gears, and we're gonna use either that Flaming River adjustable coupler, because the way they had this thing set up back then, it was not the right way. So we're gonna do that, and once I get the steering components on, I can at least set the motor on and let the motor, or the engine rather, sit on the oil pan on the steering link. But other than that, oh, the shocks, I haven't put the shocks on. I got two sets of KYBs. I don't know why. The rear ones, we're gonna put the Rancho 9000 shocks. I already have those, and we might have to modify them because the rear end has been narrowed on that. It's a narrowed Dana 60, but that's what it looks like. It's actually coming along pretty good. We're getting it. We just ain't got it yet, and hopefully by the next week I'll have the suspension all done up on the front. Get the I don't know if you can see it right there. We got the master cylinder in place already, and get the front end, drop the front end, start working on the back. Get the brake lines. The brake lines on this thing is just all terrible. I still haven't figured the alignment. I'm just gonna more or less give it a somewhat of a straightness, and that way we can get it to the alignment shop and get it done properly. I have an angle finder, so we could figure that out real quick. Either way, I got this one going on still. I'm still working on it, but this is my priority now. I want to get this car done. I want to get it done within a couple months. I should be ready to roll out of here. All right guys, thanks for watching. We'll keep up with this build. If you have any comments or anything, thumbs up or thumbs down, tell me what you think of this Roadrunner. It's an old San Diego area street racer back from the late 70s, early to mid 80s, and then my friend bought it back in like 1985 or 86, something like that, and it's been sitting since. I got some pictures of it. I'll put them on here. Either way, let me know what you think. If you like it, if you don't like it, either way, I'd like to hear from you. It'll help my channel out. If you can, subscribe to my channel, and hope to hear from you. Okay guys, have a good weekend, or whatever's left of it. Have a good week, be safe, and see you next time.